Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the unknown Bluetooth device error message that you're receiving on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So the major cause of this problem is the corrupted device driver, because the driver acts as connecting link between the hardware device and operating system. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to run appropriate troubleshooters. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung troubleshoot settings. And i-click mo lang dito yung open. And then dito sa troubleshoots, and under dito sa options, ay select mo lang dito yung other troubleshooters. So i-click mo lang yan. And dito sa other troubleshooters, scroll down. And under dito sa other, ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Bluetooth. At dito sa right side, ay kailangan mo lang i-tap dito yung run. And wait natin. And then madadirect tayo dito sa help and support. So ang gagawin natin dito is to follow lang yung step-by-step procedures and method. Nandito lahat yung complete information details kung ano yung dapat natin gawin. So kailangan mo lang ditong i-follow one by one. And then after dito mga kaibigan, and other solution na pwede natin gawin is to modify at Bluetooth services. Kung paano ba yun natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung services. And i-click mo lang dito yung open. So once na-open mo na tong services at dito lang sa services local at dito sa right side, ay kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung Bluetooth support service. Okay, so kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung Bluetooth support service. So ang gagawin mo lang is to select and double click. At dito lang sa kanyang general properties, and then dito lang sa startup type, so kailangan nakaselect dito yung automatic. And then dito sa running, click mo lang dito yung stop and click mo lang dito yung yes. And wait natin. And then after dito sa stop, dito sa service status, i-click mo lang dito yung start. And wait natin ulit. And then pagkatapos nyan, click mo lang dito yung apply and i-click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, so in hope na na-resolve yung problem, but if the error is still persists, ang next solution na pwede natin gawin is to update Bluetooth driver. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to right-click on the start menu and select mo lang dito yung device manager. So once na-open mo na tong device manager, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Bluetooth. And then i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then kailangan natin i-select dito yung Intel, yung wireless Bluetooth. So ang gagawin natin is to update. Kung paano ba yan i-update, so select and right-click. And then select mo lang dito yung properties. And then dito lang sa kanyang driver, select mo lang siya. And then kailangan mo lang i-tap dito yung update driver. And then may dalawang option dito na pwede natin gawin. Like search automatically for drivers and browse my computer. And then i-tap mo lang tong search automatically and wait natin. And the best drivers for your device are already installed. So after dito sa device manager, and then close lang natin yan. At dito lang sa start menu, and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix unknown Bluetooth device error in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.